TipTut.
Hello everybody and welcome back to TipTut and welcome to a new project, Basics for Beginners. You may recognize the name from a single playlist on my channel. I did an update a few days ago, where I asked what you guys wanted to see from the channel in 2019. The three main takeaways were more Animate tutorials, more After Effects tutorials, and more community projects. So this is the start of a new community project. It's actually going to be my final project for my master's degree as well. So in contributing to this, not only do you get to help shape a really cool idea, hopefully it's a cool idea, you'll also be helping me out with my degree, which I'd be very thankful for. Basics for Beginners is going to be a digital and physical learning resource for people who really want to get to grips with the fundamentals of design. Things like color theory, compositional theory, shape theory, all this stuff. Things that I've covered in a little bit of detail on my channel, but things that I really want to delve into proper detail of. Now, I'm intending to do that with a book. At the end of each chapter of the book, there'll be an online resource that you can go away and test yourself on, basically. Kind of a little bit like Udemy, Skillshare, Code Academy, that sort of stuff, where you read about the theory and then you apply it using an exercise. However, I don't know if this is the best way to go about it. So what I need from you guys is a little bit of feedback before I get started. I've made a website called www.basicsforbeginners.co.uk, and on here you'll find a little bit of information about the project. It's basically what I've just explained. It will be a learning resource, physical, so a book that I am making, and at the end of each chapter you'll learn a little bit more and test yourself by going online to a website, probably this website, and there'll be questionnaires and quizzes and exercises there to help confirm the things that you've learned. What I need from you in the meantime is a little bit of feedback on how you'd like that to take shape, what tools you use as a current designer, that sort of things. So basically there's a form on the website I need you to fill out. I'll fill out mine now to help show you how to do so, but it's very simple. Which of the below best describes you? Hobbyist, professional, student, or no design experience? I'd say that at this point in my life, I'm probably a professional, which is quite nice. And what learning resources have you used, do you currently use, or would consider using? So I know that I love using physical books. I do use paid online courses and free online resources because YouTube's great for this sort of thing. I don't really use online articles though, but I do, or physical magazines, but I do institutional learning, so I go to university. Out of those, the things I find the most useful are probably free online resources, so I could only choose one of those. Do I find though that learning from physical resources helps you to learn the information better? I actually do. I find that using a physical book that I can take notes on, that I can really get to grips with and hold in my hands, for some reason helps me retain the information better, so I'm going to say yes to that. I then explain in my own words why, pretty much what I just said, and if you guys have the time, what I'd really appreciate is some things about what you'd like to see in a learning resource. Perhaps you use Code Academy, for example, to learn how to code websites, but there's some few niggling things in there that you don't like. Perhaps it's what you want to see more or less of on YouTube. Perhaps you bought a really good book, but it didn't explain things very well. You would have preferred to be more practical rather than theory-based. Anything like that. Anything that you think as a user you would like to see, just pop your thoughts down in that page below. Anyway, submit that, and that's all I need from you for now. Hopefully, once I gain a few responses, I'll be able to start shaping and crafting how this is going to take place, and I'll probably document some of that on the channel because you guys said you might be interested in this community side of things. There'll be stuff like I'll be coming to you to see what kind of UI and UX decisions I should be making, what content you want to see in the book as opposed to online, and vice versa, that sort of thing. Basically, for now, you're registering your interest, so make sure to subscribe to me as well if you're not, because all of the updates and stuff will be revolving around the YouTube channel. So thank you very much for watching, everybody. I really do appreciate it, and I hope you're as excited for this project as I am, because I'm really excited for it. I think it's going to be really cool and could grow into something great, and hopefully by the end of it you guys will be able to own a physical piece of media, a book that I've made that goes out into the world, which, wow, I mean, that sounds really cool. Hopefully it comes to fruition. Thanks very much, everybody, and I'll see you all next time on TipTut.
Remember to subscribe for more tips, tricks, and tutorials. Thanks for watching.